Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about best free AI tools or free AI animation tools that will bring your images to life. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Welcome to the world of AI powered creativity, where your static images are transformed into dynamic masterpieces. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you on our journey through a collection of cutting edge AI animation tools that breathe life into your pictures. Now, let's unlock your creative potential and bring your images to life. And let's start with Leia Pix. Leia Pix in here is an essential tool in the world of image to 3D conversion, enabling you to generate depth maps that breathe your life into 2D images. Started to simply click on to sign in with Leia to create an account. Now you just need to enter your email password and click on to sign in. If you need an account, just simply click on create an account in here. Then right after, you'd be able to see the privacy and terms of Leia Inc. Just click on the checkbox in here and click on to confirm. Then right after, just simply click onto this plus button in here to add an image. Then right after, you should be redirected onto this page. Just choose in a folder where you have the photo, simply select on it. Now we'll just need to wait for it to generate. And as you can see, in just a few seconds, you'll receive the results. So witness how the depth map, when combined with other tools, transform your static images into immersive 3D environments. Now let's head on to the other tool that we have in here, which is CapCut. So this is a user-friendly mobile app or a web app that empowers you to breathe life into your images through captivating 3D animation. So you have some features in here like remove background, image upscaler, AI correction, AI color correction, old photo restoration, photo colorizer, portrait generator, resize video, video upscaler. So for you to be able to try this one out, you need to sign up for this or click on try for free, and you need to install to your device. Now, once you have the app installed, you'll have the option in here to add in your file already or your photo into this empty section. So just copy or you could drag and drop in there. And then once you have it in there, you have here the effects onto the upper part. Then right after, just choose here onto the different effects so that you should be able to see your photo onto a 3D step. So we could try this one out. Just simply click onto it. And then right after, you'll see this plus button. So you could add this one to track. So once you have added that, let's do a quick preview. And this is how your image works. Now, once you're done, you'll just need to simply click onto export to save your photo. Now we have here another tool, which is Pika. So this is a powerful AI tool that transcends boundaries, enabling you to create mesmerizing animations and videos based on text prompts and images. So it generates animations and video using textual descriptions. So if you want to join this, just simply click onto join beta here onto the bottom part, and you'd get redirected onto a Discord invite link. Now what you'll need to do next is just simply click onto accept invite so that you'll get redirected onto this page wherein they will ask you what you want to do in this server, and also they will ask your profession. So just simply click onto the things that you want to have. So you have also the server rules in here, and then just click on to finish so that you'd get redirected onto its page. Now you would be able to see in here the prompt example and what you will need to do so that you'd be able to achieve what you want onto your photo. So as you can see, you must follow the structure onto create prompt plus the description. So we have more information in here. So let's try this image to video so that we could animate the photo that we have. So for us to be able to do that, you have the different informations in here on how to do that. Now for us to generate, just simply head onto this generate options in here. So you have 1 to 10. Then let's try and or create the command using the information that we gathered earlier. As you can see, we have type in here create and then a prompt and animation. Then we'll drag in the image that we have earlier of the cat. So let's just simply drag it in here. And as you can see, we have already completed onto that. The next thing that we'll do is just simply click onto enter and then wait for our image to be generated. So as you can see, it will add onto the queue right after it's sent out. Now, as you can see, this is the generated animation onto the photo that we have added. So just simply click onto that to do a quick preview. And as you can see, the cat is already moving, and you have the download button here onto the upper part. And this is how Pika Labs work. Instaverse. So this is brought to you by Lumen AI, which offers an exciting way to transport your static images into immersive 3D realms, just like what we have here in the background. So for you to do that, just simply click onto this 2D and 3D mode onto the upper part. And right after, you need to upload your chosen image as a 2D texture. Now here's an example on what will happen onto your uploaded photo here onto Instaverse. So as you can see, it created more like a 2D or 3D things that you can navigate and explore. And to upload your own image, just simply click onto the bottom part in here and drag in your photo, and then it should be like this. Now we have another tool in here, which is animated drawings, which is presented by Meta AI Research. So this is a delightful tool renowned for its ability to animate children's drawings and other characters, provided they are set against a white background with distinct limbs. So for you to be able to get started for this, just simply click on to get started here onto the bottom part. Then right after, you'll just need to upload your photo in here. So let's just try to drag in a photo and let's see what it would look like. So we've gone ahead and already added an image. Let's just simply click on to next to proceed. Then right after, it will find your character, so you'll just need to resize to fit in your photo in there or your drawing. And then right after, they will separate the character from the background that it is highlighted. So you'll just need to simply click on to next. And if you have any adjustments in here, just simply click onto the tools here onto the bottom part. And right after, it will create your character drawing. So it is really not applicable onto the one that we have put in here because this is a flower drawing. But if you have something like a cat like this, so you just simply put in the limbs like that. And then you just need to simply click on to next. And then right after, you should be able to see the different animations that it offers in here. So you'll just simply click to the one that you've liked and then click on to share. As you can see in here, my flower is already animated and it is running already. Now we have another tool again in here, which is Genmo. So Genmo is an AI-powered tool that provides quick and convenient animations for your images. So it is a versatile platform that can work wonders with various inputs. So this actually simplifies the process of adding and engaging animations to images. Also, it offers a chat-based interface for customized animation instructions and allows for adjustments and fine-tuning to achieve the desired result. So you'll just need to click on to get started in here to begin. Now you'll get redirected onto this page right after signing up and logging in, wherein it gives you an option to create new images and generate some videos. It also has an animate an image and edit existing images. So you'll just need to describe your image in here. So you want to see cat licking the paws. So we could try to add that one, and we'll just need to simply drag our photo in here so that we could add it. And as you can see, it is already uploaded in here. And then right after here onto the bottom part, it says that, okay, we have the image of the brown cat walking. What would you like to create using this image? So they can generate a new image, animate this image, turn it into a 3D model or video, or include it in a slideshow. We're just gonna type in here that we want to animate this image, and then let's try to see what it will give us. So it will generate two images. So as you can see, here are the generated options from Genmo. So we'll just need to let them know if you have anything else that you want to put or you want to see onto your generated image. Now right after, we also have three other tools in here which are speaking avatars. So we have here the TID, the Heijan, and also the Sad Talker. So speaking avatars are tools that enable you to create animated characters that can speak with customizable scripts and voices. So they have become popular for meme videos and faceless YouTube channels. So one of the features of this three is they generate speaking avatars from images, and you could also add your own audio or choose from built-in voices. So these are ideal in creating engaging and unique video content. So this tree works fairly the same. You'll just need to upload your chosen image to the respective tool, craft a script, customize various settings, including expression and resolution, and then initiate the process to generate a lifelike speaking avatar that can be used in a variety of creative projects. Now we also have another tool in here, which is Kyber. So this is a versatile animation tool that offers a broad spectrum of creative possibilities. While it's primarily designed for video effects, it can also be used to animate images effectively. So this provides a wide array of animation styles and settings suitable for both image and video animation. It also offers a flexibility to experiment and achieve captivating results. So just need to click on the start free trial in here to join Kyber. Now right after, once you're in, just simply click on to create your first video in here. So this is actually a paid tool. So for you to be able to get started to this, you'll just need to go through all of its plan. And once it's done, you'll just need to upload your chosen image, describe desired animation, customize animation settings, and then launch the animation generation process, allowing Kyber to work its magic for your own photo. Now right after, we have another tool in here, which is Runway ML. So it is a comprehensive suite of creative AI tools that spans various domains, including image to video generation. So this offers a wide range of creative AI tools for diverse application and provides high-quality image to video generation capabilities. So this empowers artists and creators to explore their creativity. So for you to be able to use this, signing up is free. Just simply click onto it. Then right after, go through over the sign up page. So let's just skip onto that. And for you to be able to proceed, you have two options in here. You have the free plan, which is $0 per editor per month. but you could just try it for free and the standard. So all we need to do in here is to navigate to generate videos in here. And then right after, we'll need to select text or image to video. Then right after, we'll just need to drag and drop our image in here to start the creation. So let's just simply do that. Then right after, let's just simply hit on to generate. And as you can see, your video will be generating and it will done it after a few minutes. So this will be saved into your account. Then right after, you should be able to see your photo in here already moving and animated. And there you have it. You've learned how to use the best free AI tools that can bring your images to life. These tools, each with its unique capabilities and features, open up an exciting possibilities for animating images and unleashing your creativity. So whether you're looking for quick and easy animations or more intricate and customizable effects, you'll find the right tool to bring your images to life. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, just comment it down below. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on to our next video.